Opposition leader Advocate Chamisa is accused President Emmerson Mnangagwa's government for manipulating Zimbabwe's citizens through blue lies in a bid to maintain control. Sanapenda mashoko ataona kuti aiwa Nero panguva ino azotaura azojamuka manje. Zvaunyatsobuda pachina kuti vakomana they are not taking their side. Vanhu paimboti opposition it has been sidelined. Haichabudikiri. Panguva ino vanhu Advocate Chamisa vachipindira zvinoratidza kuti aiwa they are now coming for it. Sanapenda mashoko amudanyirwa pana mudongo subscribe like kuti on the bell kuti tipinda muzimu amudanyirwa chiti. Speaking out against what he described as desperate tactics by the current regime, Chamisa urged citizens to remain strong and resilient in the face of ongoing challenges. In a statement issued on Sunday, Chamisa criticized the government's efforts to deceive the public, claiming that when those in power cannot manipulate or control the people, they resort to spreading lies. In quotes, when they can't control or manipulate you, they start to lie about you, Chamisa said, underscoring his belief that Mnangagwa and the administration is willing to use deceit as a tool for maintaining its authority. Chamisa's comments come as Zimbabwe continues to face significant economic and political turmoil, with the country grappling with high inflation, unemployment, and widespread poverty. The opposition leader warned that the government is increasingly relying on false narratives to maintain its hold on power. Despite government's rhetoric, Chamisa urged citizens to stay true to their values and not succumb to manipulation. As the tensions continue to rise, Chamisa's call for unity and resilience serves as a rallying cry for those dissatisfied with the current state of affairs in Zimbabwe. Tomashwa tunoti ayo arigona Chamisa achidismisa manyepo ese antogona kumana the regime. Achikola up for unity. Achita aiwa musabva aiwa on your norms. Rambirai muri pachokwadi. Chokwadi chiri kubuda pachena nguva ine muchiona maivhunzi achiitika zvamuri kuona zviriitika zvese izvi ndo zvazviri kutoshura. Tunze mafunguro emo kudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Ndako mesection medu. So subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.